Nigerians wake up and close embassy.
Beautiful people, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. I bring our sister, yeah, Dyna Ekwueme. She did train on UK now. 12 years old child and a 9 years old child. When teacher, they try to teach them. Those they are, that thing. I don't feel go deep. But for me, I don't be adult. If you want to teach a child biologic things, so, those things, at least you let the pikin grow. Yes. How I take grow till now, self. Children, they reach that stage before they teach them. Maybe not they rush people, children. I beg. Let's hear waiting our sister talk about. There is this guy. I followed that guy through her channel yesterday video. I followed her when she say, may we go see her. Say the guy they talk a lot. And that is true. There is particular point where I go like me when I hear from Dyna Ekwueme. Let's go there.
All the children that have grown up now. This is over 1,000 comments. Go and read. All black people. Blacks. Nigerians. Teacher always picked at me. My teacher always. These were people that their parents left the shores of Africa for. Go and read all the children that have grown up now. This is over 1,000 comments. Go and read. All black people. Blacks. Nigerians. So why do we swear that we're doing it for our children when the system is wrecked? We can't even stand as a community. You see this day your day, make I day my day, hyper-individualism, staying on our own, living a life without building a community, not knowing the strength in our numbers. Let Nigerians wake up and close embassy. You see Nigerians, every Nigerian make we divert, they go Dubai. Now UK go, they rush Nigeria. What are you saying? Do you know how much you contribute to their economy? If the population of Nigerians come out and protest and say, oh, you see this LGBTQ+, we know they do. Because of this, you see how people have boycotted Target, boycotted Disney, boycotted Bud Light. All these companies have gone bankrupt. Let Nigerians collectively boycott the UK due to LGBTQ+ imposition of on kids. Let me see how the UK will not rush you and change those laws. They are easily controlling everybody because everybody has been isolated. Everybody has been made to believe that.
Go to that Dyna Ekwueme new channel. Go watch that her video. For me, there is some point when I would like to talk about when she said, when we travel out of Africa, we'll say because of our children. But for France, if they catch you, do racist, or do all those things towards your children or their mistress, always bully them. Once your daughter or your son, voice out and you say it out, that teacher will go for it. That one and that one. That is why when your children come back from school, always have a chat with them. Ask them. If now once in a week, 2 times in a week, 3 times in a week, how you fit, Like me, they're still small. I always get that chat with them. If the day when I go say maybe I not gonna get that time to chat, my daughter will by herself open mouth, start telling me, mommy, this is what happened today. Mommy, this is what happened today. Because that conversation I already built them. You see, we the Africans, when we migrate to other country, we should learn how to get that communication, that conversation with our children. The moment they come back from school, the moment they are back from school, once they are still KG, primary 1, primary 2, at least they start, speaking out without you don't ask their question. Like my daughter, and I don't need to ask her question. Okay, she go just start everything when it happen for school. She go tell me. But my son, I still they, lecture them to let them know I'm the good position to talk to. Anything you are passing, anything someone do to you, leak it to me, open up to me. You understand? And those things that they are teaching children is very, in fact, if you are in parents and you are a mother, in fact, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to talk. I don't even want to be thinking about it because the moment you think about it, the moment you broke down, the moment you feel bitter, in fact, you will be thinking a lot will be coming on your brain. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to talk for that part. And our sister too, she mentioned about we the Nigerians, UK collect a lot from us. That is true. But UK is collecting from us. But UK, they are looking at us like we are, in fact, we hold them, we are looking onto them like they are our gods. It's true. Look at the way they messed us up. They messed us up using our brother against us. That is true. If our embassy, those called embassy, my sister Dyna Ekwueme, those called embassy, they are the worst. Yes, I sign it. If they can close those embassies, so-called embassy for those Europe, I will be very happy, because those embassies have nothing they do. Because when something will be happen, you run to your embassy. They will even join them to beat you. They will even join them to fight you. They will join them to fight you. Do you know if maybe a UK taxi travel to Nigeria and they seize his passport for nothing? Nigerian people don't have right to seize UK passport. But do you know France government, France immigration have right to seize Nigeria passport without not crime? Do you know that? A French government, that is French immigration, they seize Nigeria passport without crime, without nothing. Can a Nigeria immigration do that to a French citizen? No. And our embassy working. If our Nigeria immigration, I don't know if anybody understand this part. If Nigeria immigration sees a French person, a French citizen passport in Nigeria, immediately French embassy in Nigeria will write to Nigeria embassy, Nigeria immigration. They will release it. But once French immigration sees a Nigeria citizen passport without no crime, without nothing, and you cry to your embassy, they don't do nothing. They don't do nothing. It's true Nigeria embassy need to close their embassy in those Europe countries because they are not working. They are our problem. The way those our so-called workers look onto those our albino, I always call them, you will understand me because I don't want to be breaking it down. The way they take them, that is how they are oppressing our children, because nobody is there to speak for us. Nobody is there to fight for you. Anything you see, as far as you are not in your country, take it. But those people will travel to your country. Those things, you will not dare it. Do it today. Yes. You can gain a lot from us. It's true. And if you guys look everything that is happening in this world, is it a football? Is Abilo bring football? Anything at all is there. That the one that our Odudu bring out, they will never sign it. How can a grown-up people just sign that kind of thing? I don't want to go that area just to use it against people's children, children of God, children. We parents, we mothers, what our sister she's saying, she's not saying the right thing. She's saying the right thing just because we are afraid. They have the power. If they say you talk too much, me, I'm just putting it. I don't want to hate it. If they say you talk too much, then they will bring where you are communicating with your people, they will bring it down. Where can you communicate again? That will say, open second one, so that once you are saying it, if anything happens, at least that our big house is still there. May God help our children. The Dubai you ask us to face, my sister, have you forgot Dubai also? They have their own. You see how many people they deport from Dubai to Africa, Nigeria that day. No place like home. I hope my country, to build our country so that everybody will stay on their country. If you want to go, it's trained by barter. Everybody will have respect from each other. Can a France woman now travel to America? America will have respect for that person. Or American person now travel to France. They have respect for each other. Why? Because they know the other country is doing well. This country is doing well. Then once you travel to their country, everybody have respect for each other. But we, the immigrants, we travel out of our country to another country to look for, greener pasture, greener passport, a big greener pasture. I don't know, greener. At least we try to look for documents. We talk a lot of story. We talk a lot of things. They don't look us like somebody. Until our country come together, our Africa come together to build Africa. I watched a video from True Malay this morning today, when they said France, they open this for trade because there is something in Ukraine. There is something in where they used to, those people welcome their color more than our color. It's time for we, the color, to welcome our own self, to stop the biting. I watched it today. To stop the biting. Look at the oil, the fuel that what this country, Russia, supplied to Europe. Before, they don't care about Africa, but look now, they are Africa. They move to Nigeria now. Try to build, try to invest. But when that thing never come up, they was facing where? Ukraine. They was facing where? Russia. They was facing Russia, doing business with Russia, but they never do business with us. Like the way they are trying to do now. The way they are trying to do with other countries now. They was doing the business with their close by country. But if it is our country, our continent, our Africa, they prefer to go and do that business with Europe, America. in our continent, Nigeria particular, we have somebody who build who have a business of car, but how many people patronize him? They prefer to patronize America car, Brazilian car, UK car, Italian car, France car. But this our uncle, this our dad is there in fact under our nose. Innocent. How many people? Since I've been watching a lot of people vlog, I have never seen that man products. People are driving it, but people are busy promoting other continents. Not I'm against it, but charity begins at home. How many innocent car can you see in this France? How many? If my oga always complain about French car, he said if you travel to Holland, you will see big car. Germany, you will see big car. But France, in fact, they patronize their own. Can our Nigeria patronize their own? Look at our uncle doing business of car. How many people patronize him? Try to concentrate watching people who have money, who is driving car on social media. Look, the product of the car, they are from America, UK, Italy, France. My sister, we are our self-problem. Till we start carrying ourselves as a human being, that is how the other country will carry us. They bully our children is because the way our government, present us. They bully our children because they see us as a desperate. As we see them, with here, we will make it. With here, our children will make it. That is why. You see, when it's time when our government, my people, my phone be full. manage, my phone be full. Yes, so now wait till I try to talk. I pray may our continent come together to become one, to stop to the, see UK like a heaven. I believe those their laws, some of their laws, they will bring them down. That is true. They will bring them down. When they will start, now when our government start to the work, where we wish Tinubu for waiting with the see now, we pray make Tinubu really try to work as he don't see a lot of things. We really hope. My people, now this one get to talk, okay? May we try, as our sister talk, may we try to come to one, the unit, try to speak on your own with respect way. Try to speak because, yes, our children, try to carry your children close, teach them, as far as they don't teach your children things for school. Try to teach them, try to teach them the good part, and they teach them the other side. Try to teach them, say, no, it don't make sense, so how you take see me and your papa, how you take see me and your mother, how you take see, now so it's supposed to be. And you need to reach age before you will think of those things. Focus on your study, focus on waiting. You need to be in life. Without that, there is suffer in the world or in this life. My people, I don't know where I talk. As last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Go watch that video. A new channel. You go bow for the result. Nothing to discuss.